Welcome to EDU World Space.
Here we're working with what is known as the median voter theorem. And we're going to be able to answer this question here under this understanding of the median voter theorem. So we're looking at an example in which we have an 11-mile beach, which has people uniformly located along it. And there are two ice cream sellers on this beach, each of whom wants to maximize their profits. So working under this assumption that each person or customer is going to choose the ice cream stand which is closest to them, where should these sellers locate their stands in order to maximize their profits? Well, considering this median voter theorem, this idea that people are going to choose that option which is closest to what they want, we could expect that each of these sellers is likely to place their stand right in the middle of the beach, right? And if we wanted to draw a little picture to give ourselves a better idea, suppose here's our 11-mile beach, and somewhere along it, right, we have all of our customers, supposing, people are all equally dispersed, we were told. Well, if these sellers want to maximize their profits, what they're going to do is place their stands right in here, right? We're going to have two sellers right in the middle, because what this allows them to do is get each one of the sellers on either side of them. Versus if one of the sellers had instead placed their stand all the way over here, they'd be likely to get maybe just a couple, maybe just these two, whereas all of the other ones, maybe they could get this one as well. So they'd get three, but the other seller sitting in here would then get 5 sellers as compared to the one over here would only have 3. So you can see that by placing their stand in the middle of the beach, in the median, if we want to call it that, then they are going to get the greatest amount of customers, meaning they'll be able to maximize their profit. So this is telling us that these sellers should place their stands right in the middle of this beach.